Hello, welcome to Think Big Digital. Today we are learning how to upload reels on Facebook. This is a very easy and very regular thing that we do on Facebook. So what we have to do is first open your account from any browser or Microsoft Edge. Then go to your account. Then here you have live video, photo or video and reel option. Also you can upload your videos as reels. So you can find this reel option here. Tap on this reel. And at the left side, they will ask you to upload a video. Tap on add video and you will be directed to your file. I want to upload this video as reel today. So I'm selecting this and here is my reel. Tap next. I don't need to trim this video, so I'm skipping this. Now you just have to put a caption here and you can also post your reel from here. Now I'm just going to publish this reel. I have published my reel here. Now we are going to see it in our account. Here is our reel. I can see the insights and ads. This is all for today. See you in the